Have you ever dreamed of working from anywhere, anytime? Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, opening your laptop, and starting your workday with a view of the ocean. Or perhaps you prefer the cozy ambiance of a quaint cafe, where you can sip your favorite coffee while tackling your to-do list. The possibilities are endless when you have the freedom to choose your workspace. Imagine having the freedom to set your own hours and be your own boss. No more rigid schedules or long commutes. You decide when and where you work. Whether you're an early bird who loves to start the day at dawn or a night owl who finds inspiration in the quiet hours, the choice is yours. This flexibility allows you to balance work with your personal life, making time for family, hobbies, and self-care. What if I told you that in 2025, this dream is easier to achieve than ever before? With advancements in technology and the rise of remote work, more people are breaking free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. The digital landscape is evolving rapidly, offering new opportunities for those willing to embrace change and think outside the box. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for making money online. From freelancing and consulting to e-commerce and content creation, there are countless ways to generate income. You can leverage your skills and passions to build a career that aligns with your values and goals. The best part? You can do it all from anywhere in the world. You don't need a fancy office or a big team. In fact, many successful entrepreneurs and freelancers operate from the comfort of their own homes. A minimalist setup can be just as effective, if not more so, than a traditional office environment. It's all about creating a space that fosters productivity and creativity. All you need is a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and the right strategy. With these tools you can connect with clients, collaborate with colleagues, and manage your business from virtually anywhere. The key is to stay organized and focused, using technology to streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. In this digital age, you can create a steady stream of income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're writing, designing, coding, or consulting, there are endless opportunities to monetize your skills. The ability to work remotely not only provides financial stability, but also enhances your quality of life, allowing you to spend more time doing what you love. It's all about finding the right tools and techniques that work for you. From project management software to online learning platforms, there are countless resources available to help you succeed. Continuously upgrading your skills and staying up to date with industry trends will give you a competitive edge in the digital marketplace. Let me show you how. Join me on this journey to discover the secrets of building a successful online career. Together, we'll explore the strategies and tools that can help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Your ticket to freedom is just a click away. I've always been fascinated by the potential of online business. Like many of you, I spent countless hours researching different methods, trying to find the one that was right for me. I tried affiliate marketing, blogging, even selling online courses. While I learned a lot from each experience, I was still searching for that elusive passive income stream. Then, I discovered the power of AI-powered dropshipping. This revolutionary approach to e-commerce changed everything for me. And let me tell you, it can do the same exact thing for you too. So what exactly is AI-powered dropshipping? In a nutshell, it's a business model where you sell products online without ever holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store and list products from suppliers. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You never have to touch the product or deal with shipping logistics. But here's where it gets really exciting. AI comes in to automate almost every aspect of this process. We're talking about AI selecting winning products, designing your website, handling marketing, and even fulfilling orders. One platform that makes this incredibly easy is Build Your Store. This powerful tool leverages the power of AI to take care of all the technical heavy lifting for you. Remember those 10 minutes I mentioned earlier? With Build Your Store, you can have a fully functional online store up and running in that time. It's that simple. No more struggling with website design, coding, or any of the other technical headaches that used to come with setting up an online business. Build Your Store takes care of it all, leaving you free to focus on what matters, growing your business. Section 5, Step-by-Step Guide, From Zero to Online Store. Ready to get started? In this section, we'll walk you through the entire process of setting up your very own online store from scratch. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, This guide is designed to be easy to follow and comprehensive. Here's a quick breakdown of the steps involved. We'll cover everything from signing up on the platform to customizing your store and finally launching it to the world. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional online store ready to start making sales. 1. Sign up for Build Your Store. This is your first step towards creating an online presence. The sign-up process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Simply visit the Build Your Store website, click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. Once you've completed the registration, you'll have access to a range of tools and features designed to help you build and manage your store. Choose the plan that suits your needs and budget. Build Your Store offers various pricing plans, each tailored to different business needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, there's a plan for you. 2. Connect to Shopify. This step is crucial for seamless order processing and fulfillment. By integrating your Build Your Store account with Shopify, you can manage your inventory, process orders, and handle shipping all from one platform. Integrate your Build Your Store account with a Shopify store for seamless order processing and fulfillment. This integration ensures that your store runs smoothly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on growing your business. The process is simple and guided, so you won't need any technical expertise to get it done. 3. Let AI select your products. Build Your Store's AI technology is designed to make product selection easy and efficient. By analyzing market trends and consumer behavior, the AI can recommend products that are likely to sell well in your store. This takes the guesswork out of product selection and helps you stock your store with high-demand items. Tell Build Your Store about your niche or interests, and the AI will do the rest. Whether you're interested in fashion, electronics, or home goods, the AI can curate a selection of products that fit your niche. This personalized approach ensures that your store stands out and attracts the right customers, and its AI algorithms will curate a selection of high-demand products for you to sell. 4. Customize your store. This is where you can really make your store your own. Build Your Store offers a range of professionally designed templates that you can choose from. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to add your personal touch and create a unique shopping experience for your customers. Add your personal touch by choosing from a range of professionally designed templates. You can customize everything from the layout and color scheme to the fonts and images. This flexibility allows you to create a store that reflects your brand and appeals to your target audience, and customizing your store's look and feel. And 5. Start selling. Once your store is live, it's time to start attracting customers and making sales. Build Your Store provides various tools and resources to help you promote your products and drive traffic to your store. Once your store is live, you can start promoting your products through various channels. Social media is a great way to reach a wide audience and engage with potential customers. You can also use email marketing to keep your customers informed about new products and special offers. Start promoting your products through social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. Paid advertising can help you reach a larger audience quickly and drive more traffic to your store. With the right strategy, you can turn your online store into a successful business. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey from zero to online store today. Section 6. The Magic of Automation. Sit back and watch the profits roll in. One of the most appealing aspects of AI-powered dropshipping is its passive income potential. Imagine being able to earn money without having to be actively involved in every single transaction. This is the dream of many entrepreneurs, and with AI it becomes a reality. You can set up your business to run on autopilot, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life or even other business ventures. Once you've set up your store and added your products, AI takes over the day-to-day operations. This means you don't have to worry about the mundane tasks that can consume a lot of your time. The AI handles everything from inventory management to order processing, ensuring that your store runs smoothly and efficiently. AI-powered tools like AutoDS can automatically find and add trending products to your store, keeping your inventory fresh and appealing to customers. This is crucial for staying competitive in the fast-paced world of e-commerce. The AI constantly scans the market for new trends and updates your store accordingly, so you don't have to spend hours researching and adding products manually. These tools also optimize your product listings for search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find your store. SEO can be a complex and time-consuming task, but with AI, it's handled automatically. The AI ensures that your product descriptions, titles, and tags are all optimized to rank higher in search engine results, driving more traffic to your store. and even handle customer service inquiries. Customer service is a critical aspect of any business, and with AI, you can provide 24/7 support without having to hire a large team. AI chatbots can answer common questions, resolve issues, and even process returns, ensuring that your customers are always satisfied. This means you can generate sales and earn income even while you're sleeping, traveling, or simply taking a break. The ability to earn money passively is one of the biggest advantages of using AI in your dropshipping business. It allows you to have a better work-life balance and enjoy the fruits of your labor without being tied to your computer all day, or enjoying your free time. Whether you want to spend more time with your family, pursue a hobby, or travel the world, AI-powered dropshipping gives you the freedom to do so. You can trust that your business is in good hands, allowing you to live life on your own terms. It's a truly liberating way to build a sustainable online business. With the power of AI, you can achieve financial independence and create a business that works for you, not the other way around. So sit back, relax, and watch the profits roll in as your AI-powered dropshipping store takes care of everything. Section 7. Is this too good to be true? Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but is it really that easy? I understand your skepticism. The internet is full of get-rich-quick schemes, but I can assure you that AI-powered dropshipping is not one of them. It does require effort and dedication, especially in the initial stages of setting up your store and driving traffic to your website. However, the beauty of this model is that once you've laid the groundwork, the AI takes over, allowing you to scale your business and income exponentially. Section 8. Ready to change your life? Start today. The world of online business is constantly evolving, but one thing remains constant: the power of taking action. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Sign up for Build Your Store today. Explore the world of AI-powered dropshipping, and start building the online business of your dreams. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's waiting for you.